In the second video about APA referencing, I would like to talk about the difference between quoting and paraphrasing. What I have here on this screen is a research paper about agile human resource management. Now, what if I wanted to quote this study, refer to the study, and use, for example, this here section? What you could do, of course, is copy the whole thing and place it in your own document, like so. Well, in order to not commit fraud, you need to, of course, insert an APA reference. I've already added it to the reference manager, and if you would like to see how to do that, check out my other video. But for now, it is already there. So just delete the dot, of course, insert the citation, and press enter. Done. Now, this is obviously a very lengthy piece, but it also doesn't read very nice. What I would recommend is paraphrase. So say the same thing in your own words, but also you have to make clear that that is what you did. Now, right here, I've written the same thing shorter in my own words. And in order to show that this is an actual paraphrase, what I see a lot of students do is, again, insert a citation here. But this would mean that this here section is a quote by Mott and Gregory, but it's not. So what you could do is go there in their study, Mott and Gregory, and add the year right there. Now, in order to do so, you just click Insert Citation, but you hit the little drop-down menu and hit Edit, and suppress both the author and the title. Now it only shows the year. Like this, it reads a lot nicer than the original lengthy text. Plus, the reader knows that I have actually read this and restated this here in my own words. Now this is just an example of a paraphrasing, but you will find that in most scientific papers or otherwise, especially when using APA, we use a lot of paraphrases. Take a look at this here document on the right again. There you go. HR Shift to Agile, Ravatka 2021 and Nijssen and Bauer 2022 discuss on how HR is becoming more agile. If you read this, you know for a fact that they are referencing Ravatka, Nijssen and Bauer, what they're saying, and that these people actually say the same thing in their own words. Okay? This is what I highly recommend for all of my students. Thank you for watching.